Hello, Paul Satti here from the Construction Safety Council, here to talk to you about hard hats. On many construction job sites, hard hats are required. They're the best piece of equipment to protect you from overhead hazards. It's important that workers understand the various types of hard hats, how to care for a hard hat, and the requirements for hard hats. OSHA regulations mandate that hard hats meet the American National Standards Institute, or ANSI, Z89.1 standard. When does OSHA require hard hats? Well, it's obvious. When objects or debris might fall from above and strike you on the head, when employees might strike their heads or on fixed objects like support beams or other equipment, or when there's dangers of electric shock and electrocution. In all cases, hard hat must meet OSHA standards and their requirements. When does a hard hat meet OSHA's requirements? A hard hat must meet ANSI Z89.1 standard. This standard specifies and defines the types of classes of hard hats for specific hazards, design and performance criteria requirements for impact, penetration, and electric shock, and it sets the testing requirements to ensure that they're in OSHA compliance. Although manufacturers typically test and certify their products, employers need to verify that their hard hat meets the OSHA requirements. You can do that by checking the inside label of the hard hat and make sure it does meet the ANSI Z89 standard. What are the different hard hat categories? ANSI Z89.1 has two different types of hard hats. Type 1 offers top impact and protection, and Type 2 offers both top and side protection. What about hard hat classes? There are three different hard hat classes: Class G, E, and C. Class G, General, is an all-purpose hard hat rated for 2200 volts. Class E hard hats are electrical hard hats and are rated for 20,000 volts. And Class C, or conductive hard hats, do not offer any electrical protection at all. Does my hard hat meet ANSI requirements? Again, to make sure, look at the label and follow all the manufacturer's instructions for proper use and installation of the harness. Always read the product label and instructions that come with the hard hat to verify that it does meet ANSI requirements. When do I need to replace my hard hat? Well, that's simple. Any type of wear, deformality, cracks, holes. An easy test to do is a simple test of squeezing the hard hat. If you squeeze the hard hat and it cracks or breaks, it's too brittle, it needs to be replaced. You also want to make sure that the harness is installed correctly and that it has no visible signs or defects, scratches, or any type of damage at all. Can I put stickers or labels on my hard hat? Well, while OSHA and ANSI does not specifically prohibit such practice, there is an OSHA letter of interpretation that says if you put a label or a sticker on a hard hat, it needs to be placed where you don't hide any cracks, defects, or damage to the hard hat, and so that it also allows you to inspect the hard hat thoroughly. Thanks for watching, and always remember, work smart and build safe.